The 2018 Jeep Compass. The Jeep Compass has a solid, sophisticated 16-valve engine. It features electronic variable valve timing that continually changes the torque curve, bringing more versatility to the 165 peak pound-feet of torque and more capability to the 172 peak horsepower. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, compass, trip computer, electronic stability control, rear window defroster, power windows, overhead console, panic alarm, tachometer, remote keyless entry, brake assist, rear window wiper, front reading lamps, front bucket seats, tilt steering wheel. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.